Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Gleneski this morning. We've got a mix of clouds and sun to start things off out there. Not much for moisture, maybe a couple of sprinkles out there. As the day goes on, the chance of rain will start to get a little bit better, especially focusing on southern and eastern areas. And as we get towards about 4 or 5 o'clock, maybe severe weather in some areas here. This threat will continue into the evening hours. In fact, shower chances become a little more widespread into the evening hours. But notice the focus for better rain is over southeastern areas. Chances do get lower to the north and northwest here, but still a chance. Can't rule something out though. Getting into tonight, midnight. Now this is about the time the severe weather threat's coming down, but more showers and thunderstorms, a little more widespread. Into tomorrow morning, still some rain and thunderstorm activity. We may get a little bit of a break from time to time. Some models are still more aggressive on Thursday, others less aggressive on whether or not we see much rain during the daytime. But then chances of rain may stick around into Thursday evening, and not really a severe weather threat, but we could see some solid rain showers out there. And then that chance will come to an end early Friday morning. This is as far out, the model I'm using right here only goes out through 1 a.m. Friday morning. So really what I'll tell you right now from my thinking, because there is a lot of uncertainty in the forecast, is that there are going to be some folks that get really happy with the rain you get, but there are other places you're going to be very upset that you did not get the solid rain that you were hoping for. It's just sometimes the nature of the game. But again, let's hope maybe if you don't get something here, there's more down the road. That said, most of your Friday and Saturday are actually going to be on the dry side. Severe weather-wise, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted the southern half to 2/3 of Nebraska with a low end 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe storms. Your main threats are going to be wind and hail. There's really not much of a severe weather threat farther north here. Let's take a look at those threats real quick here. There's the hail threat against that lowest level. Hail mainly for quarter-size hail. Wind-wise, wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, not out of the question for those same locations. Not really much of a tornado threat for our area for today. That threat's more down to the southwest, a low-end threat of tornadoes there. Now, I do want to jump ahead real quick. Now, I've been kind of talking about Sunday and Monday as being 2 days worth watching for severe weather. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center still not really highlighting anything for Sunday, but they are keeping a close eye on Monday. And of the 2 days, Monday is looking like the more threatening severe weather day. That said, we're really watching areas more near and east of Highway 81 for that chance late in the day and into Monday evening, as there are signs for potential for more significant severe weather, including all modes of severe weather, hail, wind, and even tornadoes. That said, there are some things working against it, and we'll keep an eye on it. It's part of a much larger area that's highlighted right in here, basically from Minnesota and Wisconsin all the way down to southern Oklahoma. And we're on the edge of it here. Now, if the system slows down, maybe it backs more into central Nebraska, north central Kansas. But right now, it's going to be eastern third of the area with that main threat of severe thunderstorms. And we are going to keep a close eye on that for Monday afternoon and Monday evening. But again, watch Sunday as well. There is a chance maybe a little severe weather comes for parts of our area on Sunday. Highs today into the 60s and 70s. Cooler the farther northwest you go. We'll see 40s and 50s for lows tonight. Tomorrow's temperatures looking cooler. We're going to see a bit of a cooling trend for the end of the week here, especially if there's some showers around tomorrow. It will be tough to warm up. 50s and 60s for highs, maybe only 40s off to the north and northwest. Tomorrow night, upper 30s and 40s for lows. And then looking ahead to your Friday, that may be another cool day, mid to upper 50s, low to mid 60s for highs. Friday night into Saturday morning, most of us in the 40s for lows. And then Saturday, probably another cool-ish day. Upper 40s, lower 50s. Friday and Saturday's rain chances not great right now. Maybe a little bit better on Saturday, but even then not great here. So most of our rain comes later on today and into tonight and tomorrow evening. That chance really comes down during the day. Friday, Saturday's just a lower chance, but then Saturday night into Sunday maybe a better chance of rain and thunderstorms. A windy day on Sunday as well. That looks to be one of our windiest days. Watching for that rain and thunderstorm threat, perhaps some severe weather. Again, the severe weather threat's there on Monday, but it may be a better chance to the east. So I'm going with a 30% chance right now. It's not a guarantee at all that we would see severe weather on Monday in the Tri-Cities. That may be a better chance to the east. And that is why I have not put in a severe weather alert day for Monday. If the chance were more over the Tri-Cities, I certainly would be, but because the signs are there, but this looks like it would be more towards eastern Nebraska. Tuesday, some cooler showers behind that system. Temperatures come down, just a slight chance of rain, better chances to the northwest. So we'll cool down a little bit next Tuesday, but then temperatures look to come back up a little bit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And those 3 days, by the way, I will have off of work. I will be gone for some personal things going on, which I'm not going to just medical stuff. That's all I'll get into there. But I will be gone those final few days of May. It does look like maybe we trend a little bit drier as we move into early May now. Looking at the North Platte forecast, again, some solid chances of rain by the end of the day, but more so tonight and tomorrow morning. And still a chance Thursday evening, but then later in the night, that chance moves out. We don't have a very good chance on Friday. Saturday's chances aren't real great either. Maybe towards Saturday night into Sunday, our chances pick up. Again, watch the severe weather chance on Sunday. Monday, right now, I'd say probably not. Probably better off to your east. Tuesday, maybe a wraparound shower and some cooler weather, but it looks like after the bit of a cool down Tuesday, we come back up a little bit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, somewhat anyway there. Doesn't look like a massive warm up, but at the same time near to a little bit above average as we move out of April and move into the month of May as I take a big yawn. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, it looks like as we get into the first part of May there, we'll still be looking at above average temperatures. Precipitation wise though, the Climate Prediction Center is starting to back away from those above average precipitation areas and maybe back to near average, which means we could go either way. So at this point, I don't know if we'll see a bunch of rain into early May. Let's take a look at the next several days to come. Again, here's the European model. Looking for those increasing chances of rain later today and into tonight. More chances into tomorrow and tomorrow night. But notice the European's way different than the other forecast model I showed you. Doesn't have much rain for Thursday night. Most of Friday's dry. Probably most of Saturday dry. But then Saturday night and Sunday, our chances increase a little bit. Could there be severe weather Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening? We'll see. It's not a promising chance. The better chance is Monday afternoon into Monday evening. And again, it's really over those areas I showed you there on that, or the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. Eastern and southeastern areas. We'll watch it. Tri-Cities, it's going to be close. Then comes the cooler showers on the backside of that system into Tuesday. After that, maybe more chances of rain down the road. We'll see. But I do think we'll trend a little drier for the second half of next week. GFS model. Again, later today, severe storms possible southern Nebraska, northern Kansas. More widespread rainfall into tomorrow. Perhaps tomorrow night, but then wrapping up Friday where we don't have much of a chance of rain on Friday. And even most of your Saturdays now looking like it's going to stay dry. Just a small chance of rain. But chances increase a little bit Saturday night into Sunday. But right now, severe weather chances, not great. We'll see. GFS is a little more aggressive than the European model is for Sunday. And then again, let's look at Monday afternoon, Monday evening. I'd really be watching. Again, look how far east that is. That's going even farther east than the European model, which would keep most of us out of that severe weather threat for Monday. And it would keep that bigger threat eastern Kansas over into Iowa and northwest Missouri. So again, there's a lot to figure out between now and then. Tuesday, a couple of wraparound showers, maybe. We trend a little drier next week, but not completely dry. We still have some chances of rain next week. All right, thank you all for watching. It is Wednesday morning. I'll be back with you on Thursday with all the latest. Until then, take care, and God bless. Bye.